If you're experiencing login failure 2026 in Apex Legends, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends social media pages or website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or connection issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Apex Legends is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches to ensure optimal performance. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can help fix corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure 2026 issue and get back to enjoying Apex Legends. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.